So I'm going to show you how to display or how to show the battery percentage in the taskbar of your Windows laptop. So instead of putting a mouse pointer over it to see the actual percentage, you can see the percentage all the time. And to do that, go to Start, then select Settings. Under Settings on the left-hand side, you want to click on System, and then under System, if you scroll down, you will see the option Power and Battery. Click on that, and then under that, you will see these options. So you should see battery percentage. You can turn that on. Now, when you turn it on, you'll immediately see there's now a battery percentage right in the corner there. So if I turn it off, battery percentage disappears, and when I turn it on, the battery percentage returns. So that's how you can do that. Thanks for watching, and good luck.